In last class, we have done formation of differential equation. Means algebraic equation is given to us and we form a differential equation in terms of dy dx. Now in this class, we'll do opposite. A differential equation will be given to us. A differential equation will be given to us. We'll find algebraic equation. Differential equation will be given to us. We'll find algebraic equation. The first method we called variable separable. First method we called variable separable. Variable separable. Now what is variable? What is variable separable? Say you have a differential equation x dy equal to y dx. Say you have a differential equation x dy equal to y dx. Now you have to separate variables. That means what? With x you have to bring x, with y you have to bring y. That means dy by y equal to dx by x, dy by y, dx by x, variable. Now implies we have to find general equation. So it will be what? Dy by y, and this will be what? Dx by x. What is dy by y? Log y. What is dx by x? Log x. And well, all the integration gone, you have to give constant of integration. That means here I will give log c. Not c, log c. Why? Since this is in log, we'll give this one in also in log. So it will be equal to what? Log xc. So y equal to what? Y equal to xc. So this is your general equation. So this method we called variable separable. Okay. Next question of variable separable, question number 2. Find solution. Dy dx equal to x minus 1 by y plus 2. Dy dx equal to x minus 1 by y plus 2. Solution. Same variable separable. So this time it will be what? Y plus 2. Okay, again I am writing dy dx equal to x minus 1 by y plus 2. So y plus 2 dy equal to x minus 1 dx. Integrate both sides. You will get y square by 2 plus 2y, x square by 2 minus 2x plus c. So this is your what equation? General equation or general solution. Okay. Next. Y log y dx minus x dy equal to 0. Y log y dx equal to x dy. Dx by x equal to dy by y log y. Let log y equal to t. 1 by y dy equal to dt. So dx by x, log x. 1 by y dy equal to dt by t. dt by t is what? Log t plus c. Okay. Log y is t and 1 by y dy equal to what? dt. So dt by t log t plus not c log c implies log x equal to log tc. So x equal to tc. What is t? Log y into c. This is your question number 3. Say one trigonometric. Cosec x log x. Number 4, cosec x log x. Cosec x log y. Cosec x log y dy dx plus x square y equal to 0. Cosec x log y dy dx equal to minus x square y. So dy dx equal to minus x square y by cosec x log y. First I'll find dy dx. Okay. Now variable separable. Dy log y dy by y equal to minus x square cosec x dx. Okay. Log y 1 by y dy equal to x square sin x dx integration. Say this is t, so 1 by y dy equal to dt. This will be first into integration of second minus integration of ddx of first into integration of second dx whole dx. This will be t square by 2 equal to minus x square integration of sin x cos x, it will be plus. Minus again it will be plus. X square is 2x integration of sin x cos x. This will be first integration of second minus integration of ddx of first into integration of second dx whole dx. So 2x cos x, this will be minus here, dx integration. T log y whole square by 2 x square cos x first into integration of second, so give minus here, first into integration of second minus integration of ddx of first, already there is a minus, so it will be plus x of ddx of first into integration of second cos x dx whole dx, bracket closed. Log y whole square by 2 x square cos x 2x sin x 2 outside 1 cos x is sin x integration 2 outside cos x is sin x dx. So your answer will be log y whole square by 2 equal to x square cos x 2x sin x plus 2 cos x minus 2 cos x plus c. This we call variable separable.